everyone! This makeup look is inspired by the different shades of the lip and cheek mousse from Nature Essentials. And please stay until the end of the video where I give you my thoughts about this product. This is the Nature Essentials Lip and Cheek Mousse in the shade Crazy For You. So now let me share you my thoughts about this product. So first of all, this is the packaging. So as you can see, para siyang isang test tube, and yung pinaka top part niya is like a bamboo. So you can really say and you can really tell that it is inspired by nature. And I love that it is very large. So hindi magiging problema if you have, like me, na kapag umaalis, I use a very big bag na halos buong cabinet na ang nandun. So, it is really very easy na mahanap ko yung product agad-agad. Whether it is on your makeup kit or inside your bag, makikita nyo siya agad kasi nga malaki siya. About the scent naman, it has a very faint sweet scent, but it is not overwhelming. Lalo na ako, sobrang maselan talaga yung aking pang-amoy. Kapag masyado nang mabango, talagang it gives me headache. So, ito, tamang-tama lang siya. And kapag in-apply mo siya, afterwards, nawawala din siya. So, that's a thumbs up for me. About the shade naman, I really love it kasi it is a perfect red. As you can see, blue or purple undertone siya. So, talagang it will suit every skin tone. Whether you have a fair skin or a deeper or morena skin, perfect pa rin siya, maganda pa rin siya, at babagay pa rin sa inyo. Lalo na ngayon, usong-uso sa atin yung mga deep color. So, perfect siya. Yung consistency ng product is not like a typical tint. Kasi nga, siguro dahil sa tinawag siyang mousse, so medyo thicker talaga yung kanyang consistency compared sa iba or sa ordinary cheek and lip tint na nagamit ko. For the application naman, sa cheeks, madali lang siyang i-apply. Dahil nga sa thicker yung kanyang consistency, so madali naman din siyang nag-i-spread sa cheeks. The only problem that I have encountered with it is that kapag in-apply ko siya na parang in that motion, kunyari yung ganyan, apply ko siyang ganyan, and then I will spread it. May tendency, lalo na kung medyo mabagal kang mag-apply or mabagal kang mag-blend, may tendency na yung pinaka-spot na nilagay mo, magre-retain siya. And ang hirap niyang tanggalin kasi talagang nag-i-stain siya. So, be very careful with that. Upon continuing using this product, mas okay yung kukuha na lang ako ng konti dito and then I'll spread it directly on to my cheeks. Kailangan mabilis yung pag-a-apply mo kasi kung hindi mo siya mag-blend agad ng mabuti, mahirap na kasi mabilis siya mag-set. I love that it looks very natural, especially this shade. Ang ganda niya talaga. And the more na nag-oil up yung face ko, the more that na nagmumukha siyang natural. So, again, it's a thumbs up for me. Kung hindi kayo gumagamit ng foundation, I suggest that you apply moisturizer first. Kasi kung medyo dry yung inyong cheeks, hindi siya masyadong mag-i-spread evenly or mag-i-spread smoothly. But if you're gonna use a foundation before applying this product, I suggest naman na ang gamitin ninyo is yung medyo semi-matte or dewy or semi-matte na finish ng foundation. Kasi kung matte yung i-apply ninyong foundation before this, may tendency na maging blotchy siya. On the lips naman, as you can see, it applies on very smoothly. Kasi nga medyo opaque yung product, so talagang nag-a-apply siya ng maganda. For everyday, okay na sa akin yung isang layer lang ng lip product. Okay na sa akin yun. Ini-spread ko lang siya din ng mabuti. Then I just let it set. After mga a minute or two, kiss-proof na siya. As in, wala na siya. See? Wala na siya. Pero kung gusto nyo na i-darken pa siya ng konti, you may do so. You may apply another layer and then just let it set. Siguro mga 2 to 3 minutes, okay na yon na mag-set siya and then kiss-proof na rin siya. So, dahil sa kiss-proof lipstick siya or smudge-proof lipstick siya, very perfect siya for a mom like me na merong active toddler. Especially si Sam, pag nakikita niya talaga na mapula yung lips ko. Very attractive kasi yan pagdating sa mga bata eh. Talagang igagrab niya yung lips mo, ganyan. And okay siya, perfect siya for me kasi nga hindi nagkakalat-kalat yung lipstick ko. And kahit ilang hundreds of kisses pa ang ibigay ko, okay lang kasi nga it's kiss-proof. What I also love about this product is that once na in-apply nyo siya, hindi nyo mararamdaman na may lipstick kayo. Very smooth siya sa lips. It doesn't settle on the lines of the lips. Lalo na ako, I have very dry lips. And hindi ko na-experience yung nag-settle siya dun sa dryness ng aking lips. So, sobrang daming thumbs up nun for me. For the longevity, kapag isang layer lang yung in-apply ko, after I eat, medyo nawawala na siya talaga. So, you need to reapply. Pero okay lang kapag ni-reapply mo siya, ganun pa rin siya. Very smooth pa rin at hindi din nagiging patchy yung lips. So, okay na okay siya. Pag naman ganitong 2 layers yung ina-apply ko, it stays on longer. Kasi dahil nga darker yung aking lips, so, ang tendency talagang hindi siya mabubura agad-agad. But, as I have said, after you eat, lalo na kung medyo oily yung kinain yung pagkain, you really have to retouch or reapply. So, siguro halatang-halata naman na sobrang love na love ko tong product na to. This is the only product that I have been using since I got it. Talagang, nagbakasyon kami sa Manila for about almost 2 weeks and ito lang ang dala kong cheek and lip product. As in, wala na akong ibang ginamit kundi ito. Nakalahati ko na nga siya. Obvious naman na favorite ko siya. And even my nieces and my sisters love using it. The only problem lang talaga na na-encounter ko with this product is masyado siyang mabilis mag-set. So, if you are a beginner in using a cheek tint, especially sa lips walang problema. Sa cheeks, doon ako medyo nagka-problema nung una ko siyang ginamit. Kasi nga, if you'll apply it and hindi mo siya agad-agad na spread evenly, hindi maganda yung magiging finish niya. So that's it guys for my makeup look and my review about the cheek and lip mousse from Nature Essentials. If you're interested to get one of these, check out the Facebook and Instagram page of the Nature Essentials. Ilalagay ko din yung link nila sa description box below. Marami pang shades available dito. Check out the videos of my Team Collab sisters. Ilalagay ko yung video links nila sa description box. Thank you for watching and please give me a thumbs up and comment down below kung meron man kayong questions or suggestions or whatever. Thank you again. Bye!